Welcome to our step-by-step guide on offering fast shipping for your Godaddy website in 2025. Fast shipping is crucial for enhancing customer satisfaction and boosting sales. Godaddy provides various features tailored for shipping, making it easier for you to manage logistics strategically. Select shipping carriers that align with your business needs. Consider factors like delivery speed, reliability, and pricing. In your Godaddy e-commerce settings, you can customize your shipping options, including rates and zones. Look into fulfillment services for faster order processing and efficient delivery of your products. Provide real-time shipping rates on your website to build trust and transparency with your customers. Optimize your packaging and handling to minimize delays and ensure that orders are shipped quickly. Make sure your shipping policies are easy to find and understand, so customers know what to expect. Consider local delivery options for faster turnaround times, appealing to customers in your immediate vicinity. Implement these fast shipping strategies today and watch your sales and customer loyalty soar in 2025.